Hello and welcome to 4am Art, and today I'm going to show you how to easily draw a keyboard. This is great if you're a musician or a music lover and just want to draw something that's musically related, and a keyboard instantly shows that. So let's just start by drawing a couple more or less parallel lines. And of course you can use a pencil first, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just start drawing parallel lines going across, and you can make these as widely spaced as you want. The important thing here is to make it more or less even. You don't want to make one area narrowly spaced and then another area that's widely spaced, because these are the keys of a keyboard or piano, and of course those are all the same width. So we'll just go all the way across, try to keep them more or less even, straight up and down until you get to the end and finish off. There are black keys, which are the key parts to this, which will instantly make it a keyboard, and they come in groups of 3 alternating with groups of 2. So we're going to draw a series of short lines right in the middle. Keep it in the middle as much as you can, or you can use a pencil to keep yourself even. So here, starting right here, I'm going to go with 1, 2, 3, staying in the middle right here. Skip a line and then a group of 2. 1, 2, skip a line. 1, 2, 3, skip. 1, 2, skip. 1, 2, 3, skip. 1, 2. Now you could use your pen and just make the upper line thicker up to that short line that we just drew, and just go all the way across doing this. Or what you can also do is take a thicker marker, say this ultra-fine Sharpie, and make it a little bit faster as far as being able to fill in the black keys. Or you could even take an even thicker magic marker and make this just go so much faster. So just go down to your line, and you can make the ends rounded naturally because of the marker, or you can go back with your pen and make it more square. It's totally up to you. And there you go. That's all there is to it. Now, to make it more interesting, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw another keyboard, except we're going to make it curved. So going from here, just draw a curved line, and I'm going to go behind this keyboard and continue it and start curving upward. And I'm also going to keep it more interesting by making it wider here and then thinner up there. So I'll start here, still more or less parallel, but see how it's gotten closer. So now I'm going to start drawing in the white keys, and we're going to slowly tilt these lines like this and then back up. And again, this just makes it a little bit more interesting. So I'm starting to tilt my lines here, and because I'm kind of using perspective here, where it's wider here and then it's going narrower right here, smaller, I'm also going to make the lines maybe slightly narrower spaced, getting a little closer together. And remember to tilt the other way as you go further back here, and finish off with that last key. So again, we'll start with 3 and then 2. So staying in the middle. 1, 2, 3, skip a line. 1, 2, skip a line. 1, 2, 3, and so on. Alright, so I'm going to use my thicker marker to quickly put in the black keys. So to finish this off, what we're going to do is go ahead and finish off the outline, make it a little bit neater. And finally, to finish this particular design off, I'm just going to go ahead and put a cast shadow. The upper keyboard, since it's overlapping the lower one, we'll give it a shadow that it's projecting onto the lower keyboard here. So I'm basically just drawing a parallel line from this bottom part of the keyboard and the right side of this keyboard, and blackening that, and it gives it a little bit more dimension. And that's pretty much it. So thanks a lot for watching. I hope you found this useful and interesting. Please let me know what you think, and please subscribe for more videos. See you next time. Bye.